Hello, my veggies are ready. Marissa and I are in Michigan. We're building her mom a greenhouse for Mother's Day. Before we started building, we had to stop by Menards and load up the van with all the wood and supplies we might need. They had this awesome saw we could use at the store, so we cut the wood to size right there and then threw it in the van. Then we had to clear an area for the greenhouse. After moving the old pots from the yard, we unloaded the van and got ready for the project.
Stop it!
This is part of it. You got it.
I know. Quit it. I got it. They're just not lined up anymore. Okay.
Next, we had to prepare our foundation. We cleared a section of grass where we could place some deck blocks to support the greenhouse.
Brett getting out all of his anger right now. Marisa makes me so mad. Why are you doing that?
To compress the dirt. So our block doesn't move too much.
Nice.
Now we put the block on. And let me see if it's level. Woo-hoo. I'm so spoiled. Look at Marissa, look what she made. She made this sandwich. Look at this thing. Ooh, a little lunch action. Look at what she got.
I'm hungry.
This looks good. Thank you, baby. All right, we're on our lunch break. How would you say this is going so far?
The lunch or the greenhouse?
Building the greenhouse.
I think it's going good. I'm happy about it. I'm excited to keep going and seeing how it gets built, and I'm also like, we'll probably make a mistake, but that's okay. It's my mentality.
We probably will make a mistake.
That I'm okay with mistake, but I'm excited. It's been fun.
We almost got the deck blocks leveled out, so we can start screwing stuff together soon.
Yes.
Yes!
And they'll be up by the end of the day.
Maybe. After making sure our base was square and level, we moved on to the walls until the rain ended our day.
What's happening, honey?
It's raining, so we're taking a little break. And we're gonna go to Best Buy. Marissa doesn't know this yet. We're going to Best Buy and we're gonna look for a drone. I'm so excited.
Good.
Are you excited?
I didn't know we were doing that.
I know, it's a surprise.
Day 3 of the greenhouse. Yesterday, it rained all day. So we only got like 2 hours of work in the morning. Now is a new day, and maybe, just maybe, we'll go get some monsters and knock it out tonight. Right, hon?
All night, get it done.
Look at that shirt. Repping the first Fridays of Silverthorne, too. Gosh dang, look at him. We're building more support over there, about to put the plywood down. We got the walls built. We're almost done.
Rock and roll.
Number 3.
Number 3. We might have one more in the bag after this for final touches. But this should get us a building. We're gonna get the last bits of wood and screws we need to have a building. Then we'll come back and make it a safe building. When cutting the beams for the roof, Marisa got to learn the jigsaw. I'm pretty sure this is her new favorite tool. With a little bit of teamwork, we got the roof installed and it was time for covering the walls. First, because it's going to have extra to overlap this, and then we'll come back with this guy and he'll meet up perfect and it'll all staple together. So we don't have an overlap and it looks ugly. We want it under, I think. What did I say? What's up, guys? We got this little frame built here, and I think the last step is to wrap it up in this plastic. Here you see we got the painter's plastic, and that should complete our greenhouse. So we're just figuring out how we need to cut it to get the sizes right, and then we're gonna start wrapping it up.
Haha.
You know, to finish everything, we're gonna wrap it up. Wrap up the project, wrap up the greenhouse. We used 6mm painter's plastic for our walls and stapled it tight. It was hard to avoid creases, but I think we did pretty good.
Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Look at the froggies. Hello, mister.
Oh, they're gonna love this.
Are you climbing the painter's plastic? Oh my goodness. You are so cute, little baby. Can I take you? Come here. Hello, Mr. Frog. God, I love frogs so much. God, he jumps far. Oh my goodness. Come here. God dang.
We're in pursuit.
Come here. Hi. You are so cute. Come here. Come here. I got him.
All right, let's get it. Let me see you with him.
Jeez.
Whoa!
Whoa, he sticks.
Good catch.
He's sturdy.
Sturdy?
Dirty. Mom.
What would you say? What was your favorite part, do you think?
The jigsaw.
Using the jigsaw? Nice.
Yeah, that was my favorite, I think that was my favorite.
Well, good.
The final last little bit. This is it, folks.
She's done.
Woohoo!
What do you think?
I think we did a great job for our capabilities.
And with the tools we had, the knowledge we had, I think.
And the next one we build is gonna be even better. Look at that.
Sturdy.
It is sturdy.
Not even in the ground.
Mom.
I'm excited.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes, I love it.
What would you rate it out of 10?
10.
Really? What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna put plants in it.
Oh.
And a chair.
In a chair. Very nice.
And action.
Welcome to the greenhouse. You walk in, it's immediately warmer. We got painter's plastic all along the walls. We got this super nice plastic tilted so the snow falls off. Brett built this awesome workbench for my mother. That's super sweet. So she's gonna sit right here and pot all of our plants. And this is the finished project of it. I think it turned out quite good.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you'll check out some of our other videos and maybe even consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you next time.